Accreditation of training programs for local governments in the Philippines. The Local Governance Training and Research Institute's Philippine Network, or Logo3 PhilNet, is the conscious response to rationalize and direct the capacity development efforts in local governance and to institute mechanisms towards sustained, responsive, appropriate, transparent, accountable, and quality capacity building interventions to the local governments. Duly accredited by Securities and Exchange Commission since February 13, 2004, Logo3 PhilNet is a non-stock, non-profit national association of local governance training and research providers whose membership comes from both government and non-government entities. The Logo3 PhilNet envisions itself as the premier network of empowered and responsive local resource institutions promoting excellence in governance. As such, the Logo3 PhilNet shall act as a catalyst of change for local government institutional development by providing relevant programs and services to empower the participation of the civil society and the private sector for good governance. The Logo3 PhilNet Training Accreditation Scheme is a process by which an LRI evaluates its local governance training programs in whole or in part and seeks an independent judgment by a qualified group of peers in Logo3 PhilNet. It seeks to confirm that a local governance training program substantially achieves its objectives and generally conforms to quality standards comparable to member LRIs. It aims to encourage improvement of local governance training programs through continuous self-study and planning by member local resource institutions. There are four main purposes of the accreditation scheme. First, to foster excellence among local resource institutions through the development of criteria and guidelines for assessing local resource institutions' quality performance in delivering local governance training services. Second, to encourage improvement of local governance programs and institutions through continuous self-study and planning. Third, to assure the LGUs and other stakeholders and the general public that an LRI has a local governance training program that has clearly defined and relevant objectives, maintains conditions under which their achievement can reasonably be expected, appears in fact to be accomplishing them substantially, and can be expected to continue to do so. Fourth, to provide counsel and assistance to developing local resource institutions in achieving the objectives and goals of their particular local governance training programs. The accreditation program will have 6 areas to evaluate. Each area is assigned a corresponding weight value. These areas are as follows. First, training and other related programs. Second, assets and physical facilities and equipment. Third, pool of experts. Fourth, publications and training materials. Fifth, organization and management structures. And sixth, formal linkages. There will be 5 levels of accreditation, and these will be indicated by the number of stars as follows. 1 star indicates that the LRI is a bona fide member of the Logo3 PhilNet. 2 stars awarded indicates that the LRI or training program has at least undergone preliminary survey visit and is certified by the Logo3 PhilNet Accreditation Committee as being capable of acquiring an accredited status within 1 or 2 years. This is known as candidate status. 3 stars indicates that the LRI or training program has at least been granted an initial accredited status of the Logo3 PhilNet Accreditation Committee. 4 stars indicates that the LRI or training program has at least been accredited and has demonstrated leadership in the community and or in a given training program. 5 stars indicates that the LRI or training program has at least distinguished itself and is enjoying prestige and authority comparable to international local governance training and research institutions. LRIs that attain 5 stars are accorded priority for funding and project assignment. The accreditation of training programs for the local government units of the Logature PhilNet, now on its initial implementation with funding support from the USAID through the Asia Foundation, will help the local resource institutions as partners on the development of local governance in the country to develop and implement relevant programs and services that would enhance the local government units' technical, ethical, and leadership capacities, as well as those of the civil society organizations and the private sector.